Point number 3. Fruitfulness is the evidence of a transformed life. Ako lang ikuan ha, ang fruit lahi sa gifts. Ang fruit is character. Ang gifts kanang atong gibuhat, kanang mukanta, ay tang mukanta, may musayaw, may mo spoken poetry, sa Battle of the Bands, a youth camp. So, gifts are what we do. Fruit is what we become. So, ingon sa Galatians 5:22, but the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. So, notice ninyo nga wala na ingon nga fruits, plural. Yung yet mo ko eh. Fruits, plural. Wa mo ingon fruits. Ang ingon fruit, singular. This tells us something powerful. Fruitfulness and spiritual maturity kana dili ta pwede mabili og asalay atong ganahan. Spiritual maturity is allowing the Spirit to develop all of those in you, in me, in us. So fruit is not about talent, it is about transformation. Okay, we can have gifts man but lack fruit, still lack fruit. We can, gingon kanina, pwede ta mo kanta nga nindot kaayo, but still lack fruit. Still fruitless. Kabalo ba mo nga, if mo kanta ta, balik ako, no? Nga fruitless, why power? We can preach. Pwede man ta magsangyaw, pero lack of fruit, lack of gentleness, nga importante kaayo sa pag-preach. Kung mo preach ta niya, walay fruit, dili kita maka-preach nga with passion. Kay pulong man sa Ginoo. Ang passion gikan man sa iya kay iya man ning pulong. We can lead po, daghan mga leaders sa world now. We can lead but still lack fruit. Lack love. And if we lead without love, without fruit, we cannot lead successfully. Siguro successfully sa mata sa mga tao. Pero dili successful sa mata sa atong master. Sa atong Ginoo. Because God is not asking how loud is your ministry. Unsa ka sikat imong ministry, unsa ka loud. God is asking, while you are doing your ministry, is my character visible in you? How visible is my character in you, in your life? Kay mo na ang ministry gid nga i-bless sa Ginoo. Kanang atong ipakita ang life sa Ginoo ba, ang Ginoo. Because at the end of the day, God is not after performance. He is after the formation, after the performance, or during the performance. He is after formation. This is why the now generation is making different choices. Unsa may choices nga gihimo sa now generation. Gi-choose nilang integrity ba over influence. Okay na og wala sa influence basta naay integrity. Holiness over hype. Unsa man ang hype kana bang kana exaggerated bitaw nga pag-praise, hype. Holiness over hype. Faithfulness over fame. Because the now generation understands that the true evidence, ang tinuod nga proof of a changed life is not how high you stand on the stage, but how humbly you walk before God. Dili how high, how confident you are diri sa tubangan, kundi unsa ka ka-humble sa imong paglakaw before God. Church transformation shows up in daily life. In daily life ba? Pwede man ta na may transformation in daily life, dili lang siya general kaayo. So, transformation shows up in daily life. Example, how you treat your spouse. How you speak with your children. Unsaon na to pag-respond under pressure. Diya manggawas ang mga transformation kung na-transform na bagid na. Tigtanaw mo transformer. Oh, how we forgive those who hurt us. Diha ang fruit mutubo sa atong pag-transform. Not when not when life is perfect. Kay og if life is perfect, sayon makayo mo buhat og maayo, no? Pero kung nabutang ta under pressure, di ba lisod? Pero kung naa kay bunga sa Espiritu Santo, mugawas kina siya bisan pa og naipit na kagtaman-taman, na pressure na kagtaman-taman. When fruit is present, ang mga tao dili man siguro mo pakpak sa imuha, nay uban mo pakpak, nay uban mo admire. Pero dili man siguro sila mo pakpak sa ilaha. Pero when fruit is visible sa imong kinabuhi, they will encounter God in you. And muna siya ang greatest ministry para nako ha, nga maka-encounter ang ubang tao sa Ginoo, pinaagi nimo. Muna siya purpose sa ministry. Muna siya true fruitfulness and real transformation.